I'm gonna have to think of, I'm gonna have to rethink this storage situation. What's up guys, this is Dwayna aka Glamazon 1026 and welcome to the Glam Room. Today we are doing a live, well it's not live, but it's live right now, PR unboxing for ABH, Anastasia Beverly Hills Cosmetics. As you guys know, a couple weeks ago, I announced that I was put on the Anastasia Beverly Hills PR list, and today my box came. So I came home from work, I put on a face, and I'm going to be unboxing it for you today. So if you want to see what I got, stay tuned. I'm sitting a little bit further back from the screen today because we got a big old box. Now this box is 18 pounds. I have 18 pounds of makeup in here. That is ridiculous. Anyway, let's get this unboxing going because you know what? It's probably gonna take a long time. There's a lot of stuff in here. All right, so let's get it all out. My makeup room is going to be a mess after this. So we first have all their single eyeshadows. These dolls are rude. They are rude. Titan! I know this one right here. This one is Sienna because I use that all the time. So I know that just by looking at it. The Sun Dipped Glow Kit. Y'all know I love highlighters. So I have the Jet Water Cream color. So this is like cream eyeliner. And then I have Dip Brow in Dark Brown and Ebony. The Dark Brown Brow Powder Duo and the Ebony Brow Powder Duo. Titan, relax! I got two brow definers in Dark Brown and Ebony. I have an Ebony Brow Wiz. I have the Perfect Brow Pencil in Dark Brown. We have the Dip Brow Gel in Ebony and Dark Brown. Another Brow Wiz in Dark Brown. The Dark Side Waterproof Gel Liner, and then the Clear Brow Gel. So I'm really set for brows for life. I never have to buy a brow thing ever again. And this is amazing. I got two blush trios in Berry Adore and Cocktail Party. Y'all know that Berry Adore is a favorite on this channel. I use it all the time. And the Mahogany Bronzer. I got four stick foundations in Earth, Ebony, Truffle, and Cool Earth. I want to see what these look like. Too dark. It's okay. But we can't use for foundation. We're gonna be using the contour. Thank you. Thanks, Morbina. I got the Sunset Aura Loose Powder. We have 5 glitters and the glitter adhesive to go with it. Aphrodite, Bisou, Charmed, Locket, and Adore. The hydrating oil. We got brow stencils. Then we have some tweezers and brow scissors. These are gonna be eyebrow tweezers. These are not gonna be, let me put on my eyelashes tweezers. These are eyebrow tweezers. We use the Revlon one to put on eyelashes. We're gonna use these for brows. We got a tweezer pen. I can put this on my denim jacket. It's like I'm a part of a, what's it called? It's like I'm a part of a secret club that nobody else is a part of except 1,000 other people. We also have the ABH keychain. And let me tell you something, I've been waiting for this. I cannot wait to put this on my keys. I'm taking them everywhere and it's gonna be fabulous. And everybody's gonna be like, where you got that? And I'll be like, I'm on the PR list, dude. I'm just joking. I'm not that, I don't brag like that. But I was waiting for that so I could put it on my keys. We also have the ABH Beauty Sponge. I don't think they sell this, so this is exclusive. We got a sharpener. I need a new one because the one I have right now is raggedy. A little compact mirror and then a big handheld mirror. And do not be surprised if y'all see me like this in the rest of my videos. Okay? Here come the heavy hitters. I got Modern Renaissance, Riviera, Subculture, The Underrated Dark Horse, Morbina, Soft Glam, and Prism. So first we got this big old bag of lipsticks. And they gave me a lot of nudes and reds because that's basically what I wear all the time. And I'm fine with that because they didn't have to give me anything. I'm super excited. Let's go through all of these. And there's so many more in the bag. We got Trouble, Rock Sand, Sepia, Confused, Seraphine, Taboo, Catherine, In Between, Cider, Toast, Maud, Bittersweet, Ashton, I still got more nudes. We got Ashes, Allison, Dolce, Malt, Bohemian, Heathers, Dazed, Current, Weekender, Lava, Trust Issues, and Poet. Y'all, this is my favorite lipstick. Now we got the glosses. What do I love more than a matte nude? A glossy nude. Vamp, Warm Bronze, Tara, Fudge, Rum, Maple, Sepia, and Kristen. But wait, there's more. We also have lipsticks. We also have the matte lipsticks, guys. We also have the matte lipsticks. Rum Punch, Stevie, Rouge, or is it Rogue? It's Rogue, it's not Rouge. Dead Roses, Rust, Resin, Ruby, Latte. I like that a latte. Cool Brown, Brandy. She's a fine girl. What a good wife she'd be. They say that's a Brandy. You're a fine girl, good wife, you would be such a fine girl. Rosewood, Dusty Mauve. So we have all of these brushes. So many brushes. So many brushes. We have brush number 15, which is just a angled liner brush. Number 18, which just looks like a concealer brush. All right, then we have number 20, number 3. Let's see if we can get through the rest of these really, really quickly. So we have a 7B, which is another dual-ended spoolie and angled liner brush. You have another spoolie and angled liner brush. This is brush number 12. And then another one, number 14. A24, this just looks like a fluffy shader brush. A23, this looks like a long tapered blending brush perhaps. A14, flat shader. A27, I think it's a powder brush. A20, another flat shader. A4, this looks like a fluffy blending brush. A25, this is just a fluffy blending brush. Number A10, another fluffy blending brush. This one looks bigger. A5, a foundation brush maybe. A18, this is number A30, smaller flat shader. Number A2, this is another blending brush. Number A6, A12, A3, another shader. A16, this is A1, A26, A13, and ooh, I like this one. I like it a lot. This is the Swish. That's all it says. It says Swish on it. Right there. That says Swish. But this is, it just looks like a pointed liner brush. So I'm excited for that. Can y'all see it? Yeah, pointed liner brush. Anyway, guys, that is it. That is my whole ABH kit. I'm gonna take a video of everything laid out for you guys. And I'm gonna insert it at the end of this video so you can just see the magnitude of the things that I got. Norvina tweeted a while ago that it's like $5,300 worth of product. So I am thankful, I'm floored, and I am grateful, and I am still kind of astonished that they chose little old me with 630 subscribers on YouTube and like 3,000 on Twitter to send $5,300 worth of product to. I'm still just kind of like in shock. When I picked up the package from the FedEx that's down the street from my house, I got home and I opened it immediately and I just looked inside. I knew that I was gonna film this and I wanted to see what was on here on camera, but I wanted to make sure that there was actually product inside there, because in my brain it's like an elaborate April Fool's Day prank, and I'm getting emotional now because it's like, I've had a rough year. Y'all know, if you follow me on Twitter, if you watch my videos, we miscarried. And it's been really, really rough. And I feel like this is a win that I needed. And so, Norvina, from the bottom of my heart, ABH PR team, Anastasia herself, thank you guys so much. So, that is it. That's all I got for you guys. If you like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up down below. Make sure that you're subscribed so you can see me use all these great products. Click the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I come on. What else? I can't even think right now. I'm just so like emotional. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter so that you can see me using more of these great products. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. This is like a big win for me. I'm so happy. All right, bye.